Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to export Mailchimp contacts. First, log in to your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience dashboard by clicking the Audience tab. Then, select All Contacts to view your entire list of contacts. This initial step is crucial for preparing your valuable data for a smooth and efficient export process. Next, you'll initiate the export process. On the All Contacts page, find and click the Export Audience button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the export. Click Confirm Export to proceed. Mailchimp will then start preparing your contact information for download, which usually takes just a few moments to complete. After confirming, an Export Started pop-up will appear. Click View Exports to monitor the progress. Once the export is complete, you will see it listed under Audience Exports. Click the Export as CSV button to download the file. This action will save a compressed folder containing your contact data directly to your computer. The file you download will be a zip archive, which you'll need to uncompress. Inside, you'll find several CSV files, typically grouped by contact status like subscribed, unsubscribed, and cleaned. These files contain all your contact data, including email addresses and other fields. You can easily open them using any spreadsheet software, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, for further analysis or use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.